everyone, welcome back. So today's video we are going to do a simple wig install using just hair mousse. So this will be a reinstall for this hair. One of my favorite because it looks really natural once applied. One thing I love about wigs that have a little bit of wear to them is that they look more realistic. So I'm going to show you today one of my simple routines on how I install this wig with just the bare minimum and get a really natural look. Thank you guys for joining me back for today's video. I hope you are having a wonderful day. You feel amazing no matter what. Make sure you guys are liking the video, subscribe to the channel if you are here and you're not subscribed, and also be sure to check out my previous video. I did a wear test for the products that I've been sharing over the month, so I kind of give you guys an update in that video, and I did a little bit of a vlog in there too, trying to switch it up and give you guys something. You guys got to watch to the end of the video in order to see some of these things that you may be missing. Some of you don't make it there, but if you enjoy my content, I would expect that you would watch the entirety of the video. That way you can catch up on a lot of things, just not about wigs, but in my life too, if I share it. All right, so let's get into today's install. Let's get into today's wig from Ronnie Hair. This is their super pre-plucked invisible lace 13x6 lace wig, and we are doing a reinstall with today's wig. So I've had this wig sitting, it's a bit dry. I'm gonna show you guys how to just freshen up and revamp your wig after it's been sitting. This is what the cap construction looked like. So you get a lot of parting in the front. I did go ahead and bleach the knots. If you want to go glueless with your wig, it has combs and adjustable straps. I find with this wig it's super easy to go glueless, so you don't have to glue it down, and you can still get a really good natural looking install just by using the straps and putting them tight. Now, if you have issues with the straps being uncomfortable, I would highly recommend also using the combs, or you can just add a little bit of tape at the ear tab area. I have videos showing how to do this. Just search them on my channel. All right, so anytime I'm revamping my curly wigs because they've been sitting and they're super dry, like the more you let your wigs sit and you don't put them up in a good storage bag, they will become super dry. So you want to add water. This is the first step you want to do. You can wash the wig if you want to. For me, I don't need to because I just feel like it's already clean. I just needed to add some moisture to it. I'm using my brush and I'm going to brush through the curls to detangle any tangles that's in the hair. You always want to use a good quality brush, of course, and this brush will help detangle without pulling the hair from the actual cap. I'm going to take my Cantu leave-in conditioning cream. This is a repair cream, and I love this for curly hair. It really adds moisture and strength to the hair. It's one of my favorite products right now. You guys know I've used it for a very long time. And all these products and this wig will be below in the description box. Right now, you can catch great deals on this wig because of the pre-sale for Black Friday. So they have huge discounts, and I will put some right here so you can see. And I will also link it in the description box so that you can check them out. As you saw, this wig was pretty dry before. I just added a little bit of water to hydrate it. These are some beautiful curls. It's very short. It's very realistic looking. This is Ronnie Hair super pre-plucked invisible lace 13x6 lace wig in a deep wave. This is what the deep wave look like in a brown color. It also comes in black if you don't want the brown. And this length is about 16 inches, but you can get it all the way up to 26 inches if you would like. And they have a cap size options, average, small, and large. So you can get custom cap sizes for this wig. The hairline still looks pretty good after being worn a few times. If I wanted to, I could go ahead and cut it back just a little bit. For the most part, this is what the hairline looks like. It looks almost the same as it coming out the box. It may look just slightly thinner. First thing I like to do is adjust the straps in the back. When I'm not using real adhesive glue, I like to tighten up the straps. Not too tight. You don't want a headache, just tight enough where it's feel nice and snug. Now with this lace, it blends pretty good. So that's why we're going to go glueless, and I'm just going to use this Got To Be Glue styling mousse. Since this is curly hair, we're going to make it do what it do, okay? Because it's perfect. I don't want to take a hot comb or anything, but this is how the hairline is looking already. Pull back the hair so I can see what I'm working with. What this is going to do, it's going to lay down, like you see this area, how it's sticking up. It's not going to give a super glue type hold. However, it will melt the lace down, and it will give you at least a one-day hold. I'm going to take the hair mousse, and I'm going to squirt it around the hairline. You don't have to use too much. And you just kind of wipe it around the lace. Make sure to go ahead and pull down those sides so that it can lay flat. I'm gonna do the same thing with this side. So at this time, if you wanted to lay any edges, this would be the time to do it, because the hair mousse is going to take a little longer to dry. That way, once you finish, everything is laid exactly where you want it to go. For this style, I'm not going to create any edges. I'm just going to use this to kind of push the hairline to look more natural and just lay down the sideburn areas and kind of just smooth this area. Now, usually I will let this dry for a few minutes. But with this being a hair mousse, I'm gonna go ahead and just tie it down because it's not gonna leave any white residue. You can go ahead and add your edge band around the hairline and then let it sit for 15 minutes and take a dryer to it at the same time. The one thing I love about this wig is that it feels comfortable. It's your everyday wig for sure. I'm just gonna fluff out the curls some. See, the curls are super soft. Just a little bit of water and conditioner transform this wig so much. It should be done. Let's look at it. Alright, so this is what it looks like. And lace matters when it comes to doing a simple out the door style like this, because if I was to do this with a lace that wasn't going to melt, I probably would not be able to do it. This lace on this wig specifically is Swiss lace, lay very realistically, as you can see. Like, it just looked like everything is growing out of my scalp and there's no separation with the lace, and that's just with using hair mousse. And remember, most of my hold is going to come from the adjustable strap in the back, so that's what's going to hold this wig steady. The hair mousse again was just to lay it nice and flat and kind of melt it down effortlessly. I will have this wig linked below in the description box for you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's style. Thank you so much for joining me back for today's video. If you haven't seen my previous video, make sure to go check it out. I will see you all back in my next video.